Hello guys, today we're at the chocolate factory in Melbourne,
Australia.
So here you guys can see that there's ample parking space. Now we'll walk over to the actual factory. So this is the dropout zone right here.
Now we're going to enter the factory. That's a beautiful wall. We're at a place to sit down and eat some chocolates. We're going to see a big ice cream cone on a unicorn.
Look guys, there's different type of chocolate and ice cream on the kangaroos. Guys, look, there's even a play area here. Now let's enter the factory.
It's so beautiful. Oh my god.
This is massive.
It's so big.
Guys, right here you can try 3 different types of chocolates for free. So right here you can see how the chocolate is made.
Did you like the process of making chocolate?
Guys, look at all the different kinds of chocolate they have.
There's a lot of different types of chocolates.
This is the Great Wall of Chocolate. What would you like to have?
There's too much
Magnificent.
Wow, amazing chocolates. Oh my god, this chili bomb chocolate flavor. These are Dubai chocolates. Wow, pinky and greeny yellow.
So right here you could see chocolate from different countries. So from Australia, 70% of the chocolate is cocoa. Now the chocolate from Papua New Guinea, 72% of it is cocoa. Now Ecuador, 72% of the chocolate is made from cocoa, just like Papua New Guinea. Look, you can see this chocolate is made from Madagascar. And this one made from Tanzania. So there's chocolate from Tanzania, Venezuela, and the Venezuelan chocolate is 74% cocoa.
Now Madagascar is 68% of cocoa. Those are all of the chocolates.
Now for Ghana. Ghana is 72% cocoa.
That's the chocolate for Ghana. These are 3 different flavors of chocolate, of fruits. We have mango, pineapple, and strawberry. And there's a banana flavor of chocolate.
There's so many 1 meter long chocolate bars.
Those 3 are hand cream. The flavors are chocolate, vanilla, and berry. These are some hand soaps.
Guys, look, there's so many things you can gift to other people.
Churros, my favorite.
This is the history for ice cream.
There's a lot of ice cream flavors you could get.
Look, they even have their own kitchen garden. This is the activity center. Look, they even teach you how to make the chocolates yourself.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye.